Today, we are comparing the battery life of four phones: iPhone 17 Pro Max, Samsung S25 Ultra, iPhone Air, and Samsung S25 Edge. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a 4832 mAh battery. The Samsung S25 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The iPhone Air features a 3149 mAh battery.
The Samsung S25 Edge carries a 3900 mAh battery. Samsung S24 Edge, 8 hours 45 minutes. iPhone Air, 8 hours 57 minutes. Samsung S25 Ultra, 9 hours 18 minutes. iPhone 17 Pro Max, 11 hours 53 minutes.